Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning with Sulekha. आज आम ओईभीर क्लास 6 साइंस एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन 22-23 क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कसन करवा। प्रथम इंस्ट्रक्शन देखि नबा। टोटल आमर 46 क्वेश्चन अच्छी चारिटा सेक्शन ए बी सी डी। सेक्शन ए रे 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन मल्टीपल चॉइस और 1 वर्ड सेंटेंस ट्रू फॉल्स एमती किसी क्वेश्चन अच्छी। सेक्शन बी रे 2 मार्क क्वेश्चन 6टा करवा। सेक्शन सी रे 3 मार्क क्वेश्चन 6टा करवा और सेक्शन डी रे 5 मार्किया क्वेश्चन 4टा करवा। तो फर्स्ट आम सेक्शन ए रो मल्टीपल क्वेश्चन देखिबा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, नी जॉइंट्स आर hinge joints. Next, John finds that as he blows air into a balloon, it becomes bigger. What inference can John make? Air occupies space. The next, Lisa did an experiment to find out which part of the magnet attract most of the pin. Which of these reading is correct? Number of pins attracted by the parts of the magnet PQRS. तो मैग्नेट रो एंड रे मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ पोस्ट लगे तो ऑप्शन ए हम राइट आंसर 8128. Then which one of the following is non-magnetic substance? The right answer brass. Leaf falling from the tree should be used in making compost. Next, which of the following is true about redworms? They are used in vermicomposting. So option C is the right. 7 number, best source of dietary protein for a vegetarian is soybean. Option A is the right answer. Next question, identify the gas colorless, odorless, heavier than air, support combustion. The right answer is oxygen. Balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in atmosphere is maintained by plants, animal, humans. So the right answer all of this, option D. Next, find out the odd one. Magneti, magnesi, magnesia, bar magnet. The right answer is bar magnet. Then during the formation of rain, when water vapor changes back to liquid in the form of raindrop, the heat is released. So the right answer option A. Next, the identify action involved when the north pole of a magnet is brought near the north pole of another magnet. It repel each other. So the right answer pushing. When water circulates through the water cycle, it can be found in all the three forms at any given time somewhere on the earth. That may be solid, liquid or vapor. To increase the percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere, we should plant more trees. So option A. Tea leaves, polythene bag, broken glass, fruit, vegetable peels, newspaper, iron nails, paper bag. How many of these are considered to be decomposable? Option B, 4. Tea leaves, fruit, vegetable peels, newspaper can be decomposable. Then fill in the blanks. The removal of waste from the body is known as excretion. Motion of wheel of a car is an example of circular motion or rotation motion. In red worm, the special structure which help in grinding the food is called gidget. An instrument which uses magnet to find the direction is compass. Stream rising from the wet cloth due to the evaporation. Then true false. A compass can be used to find the east-west direction at any place. Yes, it's true. So option A is right answer. Then a freely suspended magnet always comes to rest in a random direction. It's false. Stream ranging from the wet cloth when iron is due to the evaporation. True. Recycling of paper increases the bulk of garbage. It's false. So option B is the right. Water evaporates in the air from ocean, river and lakes but not from the soil. It's false. Write the answer in one word. The process of release of water by the plants is known as transpiration. The component of air used by the green plant to make their food is carbon dioxide. Rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater, that is rainwater harvesting. The circulation of water between the ocean and lake is known as water cycle. The area where the garbage collected from the city or town is brought and dumped is called landfill. Next section B देखिए 2 mark question. First question, what is an electric circuit? An electric circuit is a continuous closed path or loop along which current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal of the battery, and this is the diagram of a closed circuit. This is the answer of 32 number. To clean the spectacle, people often breathe out on the glass to make them wet. So this is the answer. Then next question 33 number. Mention two main function of water for living organism. Water regulate body temperature and water is very important for the germination of food. Then this is the answer of 34 number. Why does a lump of cotton wool shrink in water? So a lump of cotton wool has a lot of air inside the space present in its fiber. Then 35 number, why should we not burn dried plant leaves and husk? What is the best way to get rid of them? Instead of burning, we should dump these leaves to make the compost. And this is the answer. Then 36, write two methods by which a magnet can be demagnetized. A magnet can be demagnetized by hammering or heating a magnet strongly. Then section C, first question, how are clouds formed? So here is the answer. The water present on the earth evaporates due to heating by the sun. The water vapor in the air condenses to form teeny droplets of water at high altitude, which appears as clouds. Thus, clouds are formed by the condensation of water vapor present in the air at high altitude. Then 38, how the failure of rainfall does the affect people on earth. Due to failure of rainfall, the soil become dry, water level in river, lakes, dams, etc. may fall. Then 39, how will you show that air support burning? So this is the answer. Take a small burning candle, cover the burning candle with a glass jar. After few minutes the candle is blow out. So then 40 number, how do the plants and animal help each other in exchange of gases in the atmosphere? Plant take in CO2 during the photosynthesis and give out oxygen into the atmosphere, while animal take in oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide during the respiration. Then 41, write three main properties of a magnet. Magnet has two poles, that is the south and north pole. Pole of magnet cannot be isolated. Like pole repel each other, unlike pole attract each other. Then 42, do you think it is better to use compost instead of chemical fertilizer, and why? This is the answer. Then um, is it possible to reduce the problem relating to disposal of garbage? और गोटे क्वेश्चन देखला तो यहाँ द आंसर disposal of garbage only at appropriate place like dustbin, trash can, etc. Not at place like street, road. And section D, first question, what is rainwater harvesting? This is the answer. Collect the rainwater and store it for later use, known as rainwater harvesting. 44. You are given an iron strip. How will you make it to a magnet? So this is the answer. Then 45. List 5 activities that are possible due to the presence of air. And here is the answer. Then last question. What can we do to minimize overuse of plastic and deal with the garbage? This is the answer. और एक गोटे क्वेश्चन देखला व्हाट इज वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग एंड डिस्क्राइब द प्रोसेस ऑफ वर्मी कंपोस्टिंग तो यहाँ तार आंसर now calculate your marks and thank you for watching this video.